Crash course on Texas. Why are Americans rushing to Texas? Texas is the second largest state in the United States, both in terms of land area and population. It is located in the southern region of the country and borders Mexico to the south. In recent years, Texas has seen a surge in population, with many Americans rushing to the state for various reasons. In this crash course, we will explore some of the reasons why people are flocking to Texas and some interesting stories about the state. Economic opportunities. One of the main reasons people are moving to Texas is because of the state's strong economy. Texas has a thriving job market, with many opportunities in industries such as energy, technology, and healthcare. The state also has a business-friendly environment, which has led many companies to relocate or expand their operations in Texas. This has resulted in a high demand for skilled workers, which is attracting people from all over the country. Low cost of living. Another reason people are moving to Texas is because of the low cost of living. Compared to other states, Texas has relatively low taxes and housing costs, making it an attractive option for people who want to save money. The state also has a diverse range of housing options, from urban apartments to spacious suburban homes. Warm climate. Texas has a warm and sunny climate, which is a big draw for people who are tired of cold winters and rainy summers. The state has an average temperature of around 70 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for outdoor activities such as hiking, biking, and swimming. Cultural diversity. Texas is known for its rich cultural diversity, which is reflected in its food, music, and art. The state has a large Hispanic population, as well as many other ethnic and cultural groups. This diversity has led to a vibrant and eclectic cultural scene, with festivals, concerts, and other events taking place throughout the year. Sports. Texas is home to some of the most successful and beloved sports teams in the country. From the Dallas Cowboys in football to the San Antonio Spurs in basketball, Texas has a strong sports culture that attracts fans from all over the world. The state also has many opportunities for outdoor sports such as golf, tennis, and fishing. Some interesting stories and examples about Texas include the Alamo. The Alamo is a historic mission in San Antonio that was the site of a famous battle during the Texas Revolution in 1836. The battle took place between a group of Texan defenders and a much larger Mexican army, and ended in a Mexican victory. However, the bravery of the Texan defenders, who included famous figures such as Davy Crockett and Jim Bowie, has become a symbol of Texas patriotism and independence. Space exploration. Texas has played a significant role in space exploration, with the Lyndon B. Johnson Space Center in Houston serving as the hub of NASA's manned spaceflight program. The center is home to many important space-related facilities, including the Astronaut Training Center and the International Space Station Mission Control. The Texas State Fair. The Texas State Fair is one of the largest and most popular state fairs in the country, attracting millions of visitors each year. The fair features a wide range of attractions, including carnival rides, food booths, concerts, and livestock shows. One of the most popular events at the fair is the Big Tex Choice Awards, where vendors compete to create the most unique and delicious fair food. Cowboys and oil tycoons. Texas is known for its cowboy and oil tycoon culture, which has been immortalized in movies and TV shows such as Dallas and Giant. The state has a rich history of cattle ranching and oil drilling, and many Texans take pride in their cowboy and oil heritage. Texas is a state that offers many opportunities and unique experiences for those who choose to live or visit there. Its strong economy, low cost of living, warm climate, cultural diversity, and sports culture are some of the main reasons why people are rushing to Texas. However, the state is also home to many interesting stories and examples, such as the Alamo, space exploration, the Texas State Fair, and its cowboy and oil tycoon culture. In addition to these examples, Texas is also known for its food, with dishes such as barbecue, Tex-Mex, and chili con carne being popular throughout the state. Music is also a big part of Texas culture, with genres such as country, blues, and rock being prominent. Austin, the state capital, is known as the live music capital of the world and hosts many music festivals and concerts throughout the year. Texas also has many natural wonders, such as the Big Bend National Park, the Gulf Coast beaches, and the Hill Country, which offer opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking, camping, and fishing. The state also has many historic sites and museums, such as the San Antonio Missions National Historical Park and the Sixth Floor Museum in Dallas. In conclusion, Texas is a state that offers a unique blend of economic opportunities, cultural diversity, natural beauty, and interesting stories and experiences. Its strong economy and low cost of living make it an attractive option for those seeking a better quality of life, while its rich culture and history provide a wealth of opportunities for exploration and adventure. It's no wonder why so many Americans are rushing to Texas to call it their home. Here are 12 interesting facts about Texas. 1. Texas is the second largest state in the United States, after Alaska, with an area of over 268,000 square miles. 2. The state's capital is Austin, but its largest city is Houston, which is the fourth largest city in the country. 3. Texas was originally a part of Mexico, but it gained its independence in 1836 after a war with Mexico. 4. The state is known for its cattle ranches and oil industry, which have played a significant role in its history and economy. 5. Texas has the highest number of wind turbines of any state in the U.S., and it produces more wind energy than any other state. 6. The state has a diverse population, with a large Hispanic and Latino population, as well as many other ethnic and cultural groups. 7. The Alamo, a historic mission in San Antonio, is one of the most famous landmarks in Texas and played a significant role in its fight for independence. 8. The Texas State Fair, held annually in Dallas, is one of the largest state fairs in the country and attracts millions of visitors each year. 9. The state is home to several world-class museums, including the Houston Museum of Natural Science, the Dallas Museum of Art, and the Museum of Fine Arts in Houston. 10. Texas is known for its love of sports, particularly football and basketball. It has several professional sports teams, including the Dallas Cowboys in football and the San Antonio Spurs in basketball. 11. The state has a rich culinary culture, with famous dishes such as barbecue, Tex-Mex, and chili con carne. 12. Texas is also home to several natural wonders, including Big Bend National Park, Palo Duro Canyon, and Enchanted Rock State Natural Area. Here is a poem on Texas. Amidst the rolling plains and vast terrain lies a state of grandeur, unique and untamed, with skies that stretch out endlessly, and a spirit that's wild and free. Texas, oh Texas, land of the bold, where the sun beats down hot and gold, where cowboys ride and longhorns roam, and the Lone Star flag calls us home. From the Alamo to the Gulf Coast sands, and the hill country's rugged strands, there's a magic that enchants us all, in the state that's both big and tall, in Austin's vibrant city streets, where music and culture forever meet, to Houston's skyline that reaches high, and Dallas' modern allure nearby. There's a pride that flows through every town, and a sense of history that's never let down. For in Texas, we remember the past, and keep traditions alive that forever last. So raise a glass to this great land, where dreams are born and opportunities grand, and let the Lone Star shine bright and true. For Texas, oh Texas, we'll always stand with you. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences America has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to North America, Please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. Aid equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. NHub Metaverse Team.